Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I achieved this rose quartz set, so stay tuned. For a slower version of my application process, I will be leaving the link down below in my description so you guys could go and check it out. This nude acrylic powder that I'm using is something that I had mixed. I had it in a brand Mia Secret that I really loved. I know clients loved it as well, and I actually didn't know where I was going to get another supply of this gel polish. So what I did, I just sat down and mixed colors together, and I got this tone, and it was the exact tone of the Mia Secret gel polish that I wanted. So what I did here is apply one thin layer of the nude color, and I'm just placing very fine and smoky lines of the white on the nail bed. After I have applied very thin layers of the white, I used a glitter acrylic powder, and I placed very thin layers of that on the nail bed. Once I have achieved that look, I use two tone of nude. I use the same nude that I was using before on the previous nails, and I use a darker tone of nude on the nail bed. I mix both of them together, and I place them randomly on the nail bed. Once I have completed that process, I just place another thin line on the nail bed and flatten the white color on the nail. Once I am satisfied with the way how it looks, I would go in and place the two-tone of the nude on the nails and just place them randomly just to give it that rose quartz effect, to show that it has different tone or shades in it. Once I have finished that process, I would use the speed clear to help seal the nails so that whenever I'm filing, we don't file off the colors from the nail. I will be leaving out some parts on how I file and shape the nail, and I will also be speeding up the video as well. If you guys are interested in viewing that video, I will be leaving the link down below in my description box. There you have it, guys. This is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.